Hey Nick, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone earlier and I told you that I was going to send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, through one of your competitors' sites, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free info, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which I really like the logo, by the way. But as we scroll through here, there is not a lot of content on here. Google is going to be ranking your page based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. You currently have 191 words. So we would definitely want to add in some more content here. We also want to make sure that content is quality, educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through the site and determine whether or not the content on here will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content has the appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I have just hopped onto Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is kitchen remodeling Erie, PA. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar here is typically where you may see some Google ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google ads can be a really good way to build some brand recognition and get your name out there, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. If they are done incorrectly, you can definitely waste some money on these, but if they're done right, they are a good way to get things moving quickly. And so beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. Getting in one of these top 3 spots is a good place to be at. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just a listing on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all really good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. And so here I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're often almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so although their site looks pretty nice, they do not have very much content on here either. So it would be very easy to beat them out content-wise. So in addition to having good content, you also want to have a lot of high-powered backlinks to get you ranked organically up here. And a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a local restoration company or real estate agent company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. And so over here, I have hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend trying to use this tool. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 per month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So I typed in the competitor we were just looking at, and I can see they have 140 backlinks from 54 different domains and are ranking organically for 170 keywords. So I can actually take a look and see which keywords those are. And so here on the left, it will list all the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position this company has for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic they get from that keyword every month. And so we can go through and see which ones apply to what you do, and we can go through and incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I want to do the exact same thing that I just did with their keywords, with their backlinks. And so right now it is telling me that they have 117 backlinks, it says right here. And so we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, we want to beat them out with the quality as well. So we can look through and see which ones have a high DR, domain rating, and we can snag the best ones for your site. And so 117 backlinks is a easy number to beat, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now you guys have 4 backlinks from 4 different domains and are ranking organically for 43 keywords. So let's take a look and see which keywords those are. And so you guys are going for some good buyer intent, location specific keywords, but we definitely can get you ranked a little bit higher for those. And so to recap what we talked about is number 1, we want to add in some more quality educational content with high volume buyer intent keywords. Number 2, we want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high powered relevant backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you found this interesting and you got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, please email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.